Hello everybody, it's Temmie here, and today, as you can see, once I get into the actual video, I'm not in the same location as here, because that video was actually taken on earlier today, and I didn't do my intro and my outro, so it's like, okay, I can do my intro and outro later, so that's what I'm doing right now. So you'll see what today's video is, and also by reading the title, so yeah, see you over there. That's loud! Oh God, it's a giant fidget spinner! Fidget spinner! Holy crap! Oh God! Oh my God! He got blown by the wind! Yeah! That's pretty tough. So he told you to come to him. That's cool. That's so green. I can't! Ah! Oh, that's cool.
I took a video of the whole thing.
I'm taking a video right now.
No, take the video of the video.
Taking the video of the video.
Of me.
Stop!
Skipper.
Stop! I'm showing this to my dad.
Dance, Skipper, dance! Oh my God. Why the propellers?
It takes a minute for the propellers to go.
That's cool. As you can see, guys, I'm back in the same location as when I started the video, because as I said in the intro that it was taken on earlier today. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and please subscribe, and if you want, leave a nice comment. And there's a stupid bug, it's still flying around. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and so yeah, Temmie signing out.